Ever heard of Kraken, the digital asset exchange taking the crypto world by storm? You're probably wondering, like many others, do I need to verify my identity with Kraken? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into Kraken's KYC, know your customer, policies, and explore the intricacies of trading on this popular platform. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why platforms like Kraken have these verification procedures in place. Firstly, it's all about compliance. Governments worldwide are increasingly regulating the cryptocurrency space to combat money laundering, terrorist financing, and other illicit activities. Secondly, KYC helps platforms like Kraken ensure the security of their users. By verifying your identity, they can prevent account theft and fraud, giving you peace of mind while trading. And finally, it's about building trust. By adhering to strict KYC/AML, anti-money laundering, standards, Kraken establishes itself as a reputable and trustworthy platform for both users and regulators. So, does Kraken require ID verification? The short answer is yes, it does. But it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Kraken has a tiered verification system, meaning the level of verification required depends on your trading activity and the amount you're looking to transact. Tier 0, basic. This is the entry level. You can create an account and explore the platform with limited functionality. You can deposit and withdraw fiat currency, but your trading limits will be restricted. Tier 1, intermediate. This tier unlocks more features. You'll need to provide basic information like your name, address, and date of birth. This allows for increased trading limits and access to a wider range of trading instruments. Tier 2, advanced. This is the highest verification level. You'll need to submit government-issued identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. This unlocks the full range of Kraken's features, including higher trading limits, margin trading, and staking. Now, let's talk about the actual verification process. Gather your documents. Make sure you have clear, high-quality images or scans of your identification documents. Submit your information. Follow the on-screen instructions within your Kraken account to submit your personal details and upload the required documents. Wait for verification. Kraken's team will review your information. The verification time can vary depending on the volume of submissions. Confirmation. Once your verification is complete, you will receive a notification within your Kraken account. Here are a few tips to ensure a smooth and hassle-free verification process. Use high-quality images. Ensure your documents are well-lit and free from glare or shadows. Follow instructions carefully. Pay close attention to the specific document requirements and formatting guidelines. Be patient. The verification process can take some time. Avoid submitting multiple requests, as this can delay the process. Let's delve a little deeper into why Kraken implements these verification measures. Preventing fraud. By verifying your identity, Kraken helps prevent fraudulent activities like account takeovers and money laundering. Protecting users. KYC measures help protect users from scams and phishing attacks. Meeting regulatory requirements. As mentioned earlier, KYC/AML compliance is crucial for cryptocurrency exchanges to operate legally and maintain a good standing with regulators. Building trust. By adhering to strict verification procedures, Kraken builds trust with its users and the broader crypto community. Now, let's address some of the common concerns regarding ID verification on Kraken. Privacy concerns. Many users are concerned about the privacy of their personal information. Kraken takes data security very seriously and employs robust security measures to protect user data. Verification time. The verification process can sometimes take longer than expected. Be patient and follow up with Kraken support if you encounter any delays. Document requirements. Some users may find the document requirements to be overly stringent. It's important to remember that these measures are in place to ensure the safety and security of all users. While ID verification may seem like an inconvenience, it offers several benefits. Increased trading limits. Higher verification levels unlock higher trading limits, allowing you to trade larger amounts. Access to advanced features. You gain access to advanced trading features like margin trading, staking, and more. Enhanced security. Verified accounts are more secure and less susceptible to fraud. Improved platform experience. Verification helps create a safer and more trustworthy trading environment for all users. Kraken's commitment to security. Kraken is committed to providing a secure and trustworthy trading platform for its users. They continuously invest in advanced security technologies and adhere to the highest industry standards to protect user data and prevent fraudulent activities. In conclusion, yes, Kraken does require ID verification. While it may seem like an extra step, it's an essential part of ensuring the safety and security of the platform for all users. By verifying your identity, you contribute to a more secure and trustworthy trading environment while also unlocking a wider range of trading features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.